Hey, welcome back to Restorations. Today I'm going to get to something that I should have done a while ago. Now you guys have seen me do project after project on this makeshift table that I have here, sitting on top of these sawhorses. And I did that because one is at a good height, so when I'm working on like furniture, chairs and things, and I sit them up, it's, I had it at a great height, as well as it's portable because I have a small shop, so I can just pick the board up, lay it on the side, as well as fold the sawhorses up, and I got more space to work on bigger pieces of furniture. But it's occurred to me that I need a workbench. So I went online, let's go get one. I just buy one. I don't want to take the time. I got other projects I'm working on right now. And then after I got there and looked at the prices, I went, okay, never mind. I'm going to do it myself. So, we're going to be putting together today a full functional workbench that's going to be 33 inches off the floor. It's going to be on casters, a locking caster so it can roll, as well as it's going to have a functional dog hose. We're going to have drawers. We're going to have a vise onto it as well as we're going to have a pegboard for hanging things on, and a lower shelf for some of the items that I like to keep. Instead of having to get up to get, I can put them on the lower shelf. So, you guys ready for this workbench build? Let's get to it. Okay, and now we're near the completion of the workbench, and we want to put dog holes in so that we can have it for that bracing and everything. And so we're going to start off with dog holes that are going to be spaced 5 inches apart, 12 inches in. And if we need them later on, we can always add additional dog holes as we need to. So, let's get drilling. Well, I think this workbench turned out great. It actually was a good thing that I turned this board over because I didn't know I had a crack in it. And so that'll lead me at some point in time to replace the board, but right now it's functioning just fine. I must say, this came out a little bit better than I thought it was. I mean, I got power here on the corner, so now I don't have to run a cable over here and have cables everywhere. I got a lower storage deck down here to store the tools that I normally have up there on the shelf or over here on the shelf. Now they're right down here at my fingertips. I have a drawer that's holding some of my smaller things over here, and if I want to later on, I can probably put another drawer over here. We got a 7-inch Urban Vise, so I can have something I can crank up on when I'm doing some planing work, as well as I got a pegboard over here with tools over here, so that they can be at my hand instead of being all the way over there on the bench, which should allow me to get things done a lot more efficient and a lot faster. Now, I was looking at the one at Harbor Freight for $199, the Yukon, which had the 4 drawers and everything, but I think I got the better value for the buck because with all this said, with the wood that I had, that I needed to buy, which was 6 2x4s, the drawer that I purchased, the dog hole plugs, the vise, all of it came up to about $170. So I saved about $30 doing it myself. So with all that said, thank you guys for watching this episode of Restorations. I hope you liked what you saw, and if you did, smash that like button, and don't forget to hit subscribe. It costs you nothing, and it helps us out here on the channel. And until the next time we meet, peace.